name's Alex.
E moa today Winton School, I'm Callum. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for our party, the 11th of Movember.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to the students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder about this term, you must wear sun hats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
And a quick kia ora to those students returning sports gear to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and interval. Ka pai koutou.
Library news, open today for returns, browsing and issues.
And get in quick. There's some brand new books for browsing too.
Okay, into te Kupu or te Wiki. This week's word is moi, which is te reo for sleep.
As in ia moi ia hoi. Go to sleep, mate.
Thanks. Shh. Shh.
Hang on, wake up. There's touch news, tigers and leopards. You have no training today.
Panthers, you do. Meet on the library steps at lunchtime.
Year 1 and 2 teams, listen up. Winton Bears, Cheetahs, Warriors and Wombos meet in the junior lunch area at 12:45. Kia ora.
Winton's Got Talent. A wonderful day yesterday with some of the year 5 and 6 performers.
It's the last day today for the year 5 and 6 category. The hall will be open at 12:40 for supporters, fans and audience members.
All performers must have their music to Mr. Wadsworth already and be ready in the hall at 12:30. Kia kaha.
Ramire poi patai. Save those coins for Kendrick and Riley's coin trail, and of course Disco Friday night.
Birthday news. Only one at Winton School today.
Michaela Hill is turning the big 6.
Happy birthday, Michaela. Ra whānau kia koe.
Okay, that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S News team, ka kitea popo.
Stay sharp and haere rā Winton School.